Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache and fix lag on the Honor Magic V6. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over into settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down to storage, and in storage, we're gonna click on clean up. As you guys can see, we have sufficient storage, at least for me. But if you want to remove something, you can clean it up by screenshots. For example, you can go here and delete them. As you guys can see, we just gained 6 megabytes. Not a lot, but still, if you want more, you can just go over. Here we have the video. And of course, we got some apps that we can uninstall. So our point is not uninstalling the apps, but we just want to clear the cache of them. So here we can click on junk files. As you guys can see, we got the internal storage, we got the system cache, and we can click on delete. As you guys can see, we just cleaned the system cache. If you go to apps and select an app, for example, we're gonna go to manage apps. We're gonna go to Google, for example, here, storage. There's still some cache left, but it's normal, it will come back. That's why you have to do it regularly. Here we have Google Play services. Let's see if it's using any cache. 5 megabytes. We can clear it up like this. And that's how we can easily fix the lag on our Honor Magic V6. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.